Assalamu alaikum. I am Mazhar Bibi and I am a student of Faculty of Education. The topic of my presentation is work sampling. First of all, we need to understand what is work sampling. The work sampling is an assessment tool that allows teachers to evaluate the skills of students. Students demonstrate what they know through a series of evaluations, which allows their teachers to make informed decisions about how to guide instructions. Method that enable students to demonstrate their knowledge, skills, and personality through performing tasks that are part of their daily experience. The best way to evaluate a student's performance is to study performance, not something else. A student's work is assessed through guideline and checklist, portfolio, summary reports to help teachers document and assess children's skills, knowledge, behavior, and academic achievements. Checklist. A checklist is a tool a student can use to make sure they have met all requirements of an assignment that will be assessed. The teacher creating the checklist decides which features of the assignment are important, enough to factor into how the work will be graded or otherwise evaluated. Checklist usually offers a yes/no format in relation to student demonstration of a specific criterion. Purpose of the performance-based checklist: help teachers to observe and document children's skills and accomplishments, keep track of what individual children know and can do, plan developmentally appropriate classroom experiences throughout the year. Guideline and checklist are organized by domain, which relates broad areas of a student's growth. Personal components, subset of domain comprised of several performance indicator. Performance indicators relates skills and behaviors and accomplishments to be taught and assessed in classroom. Portfolios, a purposeful collection of students' work. Purpose of portfolio collection: shows quality of work, demonstrates progress, displays work across domains, involves students in evaluating their work, assist with instructional planning. Summary reports combine information from checklist and portfolios, rate student performance and progress, highlight strengths, concerns, and plans. Benefit of work sampling: focuses on what students know and can do, engages teacher in assessment process, demonstrate progress over time, adaptable for diverse students. Thank you.